Public life studies are widely used by urban designers and landscape architects to evaluate public space. Typically, findings are communicated through pie charts and bar charts like the ones shown here, which summarize broad patterns of use. And while some studies include spatial mapping, they often flatten or omit the temporal dimension, particularly the duration of time people spend in different locations. This matters because spatial and temporal patterns can reveal nuanced insights about how public spaces function socially. This methods paper focuses on activity mapping conducted in 2023 and 4 associated with Plaza Pops, a temporary public space initiative in Toronto that I co-founded and co-direct. Plaza Pops transforms underused strip mall parking lots into temporary public gathering places that function as social infrastructure. Our public life studies used an analog activity mapping method using printed maps and matrices mounted on clipboards. Each stationary person observed within the study area was recorded as a numbered dot on the map with corresponding information entered into a matching row on the matrix. We captured variables including perceived age, gender, posture, activity, and social grouping. Importantly, we also recorded time in and time out data, allowing us to analyze duration of stay, something not typically captured due to the added complexity and labor involved. Field sheets were scanned and digitized into Excel spreadsheets. For each mapped dot, latitude and longitude were added using GIS alongside the time in and time out data. Digitized datasets were then processed using Python libraries and Grasshopper workflows to generate statistical outputs and three-dimensional spatial visualizations. This is an example datascape developed for the 2023 installation, comparing the site without the installation on the left and with the installation on the right. Pie charts show the proportion of different user groups, while bar charts show average time spent on site. Below, axonometric maps represent individual people as colored columns. Colors correspond with age categories, while column heights represents duration of stay, allowing spatial and temporal patterns to be analyzed simultaneously. An example of one important finding from the 2024 study. In the baseline condition, middle-aged men clustered in an area at the edge of the site in the shade of a pylon sign. With the installation present, this pattern became more spatially distributed, suggesting that the installation helped integrate this group into a more socially mixed public environment. These datascapes were developed as analytical tools, but also as public communication tools, exhibited in Toronto in 2025. The research suggests that spatial and temporal public life study visualizations can help designers, municipalities, and the public better understand the social performance of public space. Thank you very much.